Let's have a look.
Come to daddy.
I had no idea it was going to be as bad as this.
This Ford Mustang sat untouched for nearly 30 years. John, the owner, loved this car. It wasn't just a Mustang. It was a dream he'd held onto since he was young. But life changed in an instant. In 1988, John's wife was diagnosed with liver cancer. Not long after, and she passed away. John was left to raise his 3 young children alone. Everything he had went to them, and he had nothing left to give to the car. When Tim and Fuzz found it, they were in shock. The car was fully rusted. The paint was destroyed. Parts missing everywhere. It was a total mess, but they didn't walk away. They rebuilt what they could, repaired the body, fixed the engine, gave it a fresh new paint, and brought the Mustang back to life. And now, after all these years, John is about to see the car he thought he lost forever. And the best part? He has no idea they've done it for him.
So what's your name?
John.
What have you got? Nothing. Come here a sec. Let's look at the number plate. That is your Mustang.
I don't want to say.